Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make rice congee. Use a 6:1 water to rice ratio and simmer gently, stirring every 10 minutes to prevent sticking. Start with short grain rice for creaminess and soak for 30 minutes to reduce cooking time. Season lightly with salt early and adjust at the end, then finish with a drizzle of sesame oil for aroma and contrast in flavor. Begin by rinsing rice until water runs clear, then combine rice and water in a heavy pot. Bring to a boil, reduce to a gentle simmer, and skim any foam that rises. Maintain a low simmer for 45 to 60 minutes, stirring occasionally to reach a creamy consistency. Add thinly sliced proteins or greens in the last 10 minutes so they warm through without overcooking, then finish with seasoning. For flavor, infuse the congee with sliced ginger while it simmers and finish with thinly sliced scallion for brightness. Taste as you add soy sauce or fish sauce and use sparingly to avoid overpowering the rice. Consider toppings like fried shallots, a drizzle of sesame oil, chopped herbs, or a soft-boiled egg to add texture and richness without masking the gentle porridge flavor.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.